Hey guys, what is going on? The printer guy here, and today I'm going to show you how to install the ink cartridges on the HP Officejet Pro 8135. If this video ends up being helpful, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below, and if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. Now, I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below as well for some brand new ink for this printer, because the setup ink should never be used for an extended period of time. You should always be upgrading to another set of ink cartridges. All right, so of course, the first thing we want to do is open up the printer to where we can actually access the print head. And when you're first setting up, the print head should come right to the middle when you open up the printer. Now, if it's already set up and you've already been using the printer, you may need to go into the settings and select replace ink cartridges. Now, this is the black ink, and just so you see, this is the bottom of the ink cartridge. At the top, you have the ink pad, and at the bottom, you have the microchip that is going to connect to the print head. So you see there are 4 copper prongs sticking out, and you have the nozzle. Nozzle is at the top, 4 prongs is at the bottom, and that's how you're going to match up the ink cartridge with the print head. You're going to match up the prongs with the chip that's at the bottom of the cartridge, and you're going to match up the pad with the nozzle, just like I did there. So it should be facing you in this direction where you can actually read off the model number of the ink cartridge. Okay, and you're doing the same thing with all of the other colors. Now we're installing yellow. After that, we'll install cyan and magenta. But we are also making sure that everything is aligned. You don't want these ink cartridges to be crooked or sticking out. You want to hear a click. Also, when you actually have installed this properly, you will click it down and you will hear a click, and that will indicate that you have installed the ink cartridge correctly. If there's no click, you're going to want to remove it and just try to get it in place so that it's installed in the proper manner. Now, there is a color code right there at the top of the print head. Wherever it moves to, there's going to be a color code, and you should follow that code as to which color goes in which spot. If you don't follow that color code and you mix them up, you could have some pretty severe issues. That's if the printer even allows you to print with the incorrect colors installed. So follow that guide, the color guide, and you also have letters on there that indicate which color they are: K, Y, C, and M. Here's the last ink cartridge we are installing. And keep in mind, these setup ink cartridges, again, you're going to want to swap them out pretty frequently, because when you're doing a setup, you're going to be using a lot of ink. And so it's going to be required for you to replace these ink cartridges with a fresh set, so that you don't have any issues with the print head and so that the printer is able to function properly. I hope that this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please make sure to like. Any questions at all, comment below. And if you want more content like this, please make sure to subscribe. And remember, there's a product link down in the description below for you to purchase some new HP ink. All right, so that's really all I have for today. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.